Hi, Mrs. Lumen here. I am going to talk to you today about how to add extensions to your Chromebooks and to your Chrome browsers. So first off, you should be in a Chrome browser. I feel like that's obvious. And the easiest way to get to the extensions is to click on this icon up here. If you do not have that icon, you can simply in your Google search bar search for Chrome extensions. And your end goal is to get to this web store. Once you're here, you'll notice that you can search for extensions, you can search for themes, but I do want to point out that this is because you're logged in under your school username and password. This is for Southwestern School District, so they're not going to allow you to download just anything that you want. But if you are interested in an extension and it's not available because of the Southwestern administrator, you just let me know and we can do our best to get it into your possible extensions. So once you're here, you can just browse around, see what you can find. There are lots and lots of extensions for things like making sure that you're staying at home, social distancing. They have a bunch of editors picks, but generally, except for things like Google Keep, these are not going to be allowed by the administrators. And the way that you know it's not allowed by the administrator is by trying to install it. So let's say you really need this pizza as your cursor, and that is something that you want to install. You're going to take a look, read over the overview, make sure that everything makes sense and it's not something that is going to ruin your computer. You're going to click on Add to Chrome, and this box will show up if you are not allowed to install it. Again, if you want to install it and it's blocked by the admin, just let me know and we can see if we can get it onto the list of approved extensions. So let's say you want to add Google Keep to your Chrome browser. Again, this one is pretty standard, but again, I would recommend that you read the overview. Don't just go with the first thing that you see. You're going to click on Add to Chrome. It's going to tell you what it is going to do once it's installed. Add your extension, and literally that's it. It's been added to Chrome. I don't have to worry about anything else now. If you want to manage your extensions, you're going to click on this little puzzle piece up here and then manage extensions, and this will give you an idea of all the different extensions that have already been installed on your computer, either by admin or by yourself. And you can either have them show up, do this toggle if you want them to show up or not, and you can delete them if you are tired of seeing them just by clicking remove. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.